Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Salsa Bilia Putri and I am from R2A class. Here I want to monologue conversation for do the mid task. And here we go. Teacher said, so you have got a few minutes to discuss with your partner. And this is a conversation. So, as far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is that they can both support human life. Yeah, but do we know that's actually true? I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth, isn't it? It says here it's about minus 55 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth only place like Antarctica get it cold. True. Well then, I suppose you could say both planets are similar distant from the Sun? No way, Mars is much farther away. It says here it's about 228 million kilometers, while Earth is about 150 million. Yeah, but in space, there is not that far away. Jupiter is like almost 780 million kilometers, and that's why we use astronomical unit when we talk about distance in space. Earth is 1 astronomical unit from the Sun and Mars is 1.3. The difference doesn't sound so big when you look at it way. I see what you mean. Jupiter is 5.2 astronomical unit. So I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between the two planets? Let's see, not the color obviously. Yeah, Earth is called the blue planet and Mars is called the red planet for pretty obvious reason. Their size are pretty different. Mars is about half of the size of the Earth. And what about this? It looks like the days on both planets are almost the same length. Earth days is 24 hours and Mars is about half an hour longer. You are right. Okay, any other things they both share? I suppose you could say they have water in common. Could you? How? Well, Earth is 70% water and probably had huge ocean in the past. It's just it's just that most of the water there now is probably frozen. Ah, I see. I don't think we can say the air is the same though most of the Earth's air is nitrogen and oxygen, but Mars? Mars doesn't really have air. Not compared with Earth, it's got about 1% as much air in the Earth. Right, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. Gravity is another difference. I didn't know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the Moon, but it's much less than the Earth, of course. Oh, okay. It says Mars has about 30% of Earth's gravity. And the teacher said, okay, let's see what you have found. And